In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best tiny house kits that you can buy online and have delivered to your site. These are tiny house kits that come with everything you need to build your own tiny house, from the foundation to the roof. Whether you're looking for a DIY project, a budget-friendly option, or a luxury design, these tiny house kits have something for everyone. So without further ado, let's get started. Due to their portability, ability to be assembled in unique locations, and ability to liberate their owners from a life cluttered with possessions, tiny houses are becoming increasingly popular. A kit is a terrific way to get started on a tiny house project quickly and affordably if you want to join the movement without breaking the bank. We examined the best tiny house kits available, taking into account factors like total value, variety of amenities, and simplicity of assembly and upkeep. 1. Best overall. Jamaica Cottage Shop Writer's Haven at jamaicacotageshop.com. The most exquisite and quaint tiny cottages are manufactured by the Vermont-based Jamaica Cottage Shop. Our favorite model is their Writer's Haven, which has every feature a tiny house can have. The house offers a tranquil haven where you can declutter and concentrate on the important things in life. The Writer's Haven is made of premium Vermont lumber and has several windows that let in plenty of natural light during the day and offer a clear view of the night sky. It also has a translucent roof. It has a cozy daybed, a workspace, and lots of unoccupied space for you to call your own. The kit is even available in 3 different sizes: 12 by 14, 12 by 18, and an enormous 24 by 36. The cost of a kit can vary greatly depending on its size, from about $5,000 for the smallest to well over $30,000 for the largest. But to make building the kit simple, everything is pre-cut, numbered, color-coded, and stacked in the right order. Cost at the time of publication, $10,733. 2. Runner-up, best overall. 84 Lumber Tiny House Kit at 84tinyliving.com. The largest tiny house on wheels from 84 Lumber is the Countryside model, measuring 203 square feet. It is easy to transport or relocate inside your property because it can be hauled by any car with a minimum 14,000-pound towing capability. It has a steel trailer equipped with leveling jacks and brakes, among other important safety measures. The interior maximizes the amount of space that is available. The floor plan includes a bathroom with a standard-sized shower and a composting toilet, as well as a bedroom loft big enough for a queen-sized bed, a butcher block countertop, an elevated butcher block bar for working and dining, and 2 upper cupboards for storage complete the fully functional kitchen. You can prepare or cook with even more space, thanks to small touches like a covered sink. This little home has many small details that give it an upscale appearance, such as bamboo flooring, many windows on each wall, and a vaulted ceiling with panels. Extras that give this property a lovely Victorian appearance are the weathered wood siding outside and the cathedral ceilings inside. The price was not listed at the time of publication. 3. Best OffGrid. 84 Lumber. See 84tinyliving.com for the roving tiny house kit. With a compact footprint, this 154 square foot model offers all the luxurious features we adore in tiny house kits. It is constructed from solid wood, with a walnut ceiling panel and a wall composed of salvaged wood. It also features a loft that can accommodate a complete bed and a big room. Both the bathroom and a large closet are hidden behind a handcrafted barn door. Your little home's front porch greets guests and you, and the bathroom features a composting toilet. You can store extra items, such as a small folding stool or other necessities, under the built-in bench when traveling with your off-grid tiny house. Some of this tiny home's noteworthy external features include low-E aluminum-clad windows, a robust 26-gauge metal roof, and gorgeous cedar lap siding. Since this type doesn't have any external storage, you'll need to find space inside for items like bicycles and hiking gear. Similar to the Countryside model, this tiny house requires a car with a large towing capacity to move. A truck with a minimum towing capacity of 10,000 pounds ought to be adequate. To aid in the transfer, the house also features a specially made steel trailer with safety brakes, radial tires, and steel floor joists. The price was not listed at the time of publication. 4. Best Camping Pod. BZB Cabins and Outdoors Camping Pod C13 at bzbcabinsandoutdoors.net. With this set, you can put together a quaint half-dome camping pod that looks great outside and has a covered terrace. Nordic spruce, the material used to make it, thrives in humid environments. Everything you need, including roofing structures, shingles, and foundation components, is included in this kit. Natural light comes in from 2 larger windows set into the doors and a small window at the back. All of these are glazed and require no additional processes. Additionally, there are 2 little pre-assembled seats on the covered porch. Its inside is modest, akin to that of a family tent. With a little walkway in between the frames, it can accommodate 2 twin beds. Since it doesn't include finishes or furnishings, you can design the area however you choose. You can set up a workstation or lounge chair in this pod to create a mini oasis closer to home, but it's also perfect for rolling out sleeping bags and other temporary camping gear. At publishing time, the cost was $6,890. Number 5. Best Cottage Style. Jamaica Cottage Shop Vermont Cottage at jamaicacotageshop.com. This rustic design is ideal if you're searching for a tiny area that nonetheless has all the personality and beauty of a cottage home. Despite being basic, the inside can be furnished with furnishings and accessories that complement the overall design. You may select from 3 distinct layouts, and each kit is available in 3 sizes: 16x20, 16x24, and 16x30, so you're sure to discover the ideal arrangement. Each of the 3 cottages features a quaint one-room layout with an open floor plan and loft. While Cottage B removes the front porch to make more use of the interior space, cottages A and C have porches that are ideal for reading a book or throwing a small gathering. The cost of the pre-cut kits might vary depending on the size and design of the cottage. Western red cedar, which is resistant to rot, decay, and insect infestations, is used to build a little rustic home. There are already shingles on the roof. In addition, all of the wood has been chopped and is prepared for use. Hardware is also included. The only tools you'll need for assembly are probably ones you already own. Cost as of publication, $23,190. 6. Best Splurge. +1 Home Kit Tiny Home Building Kit at Home Depot. It would be inaccurate to describe this as a tiny home, given that it has 2 bedrooms and more than 400 square feet of living space. This tiny house kit may be built entirely by yourself and is appropriate for year-round living. Before making a purchase, you can make changes to the plans to get the layout you want and to ensure that they meet local building requirements. This kit's steel frame is guaranteed for 50 years and is resistant to termites, rot, corrosion, and buckling. The building will require a concrete slab, which raises the entire cost. In addition to constructing the foundation, depending on where you live, you could also need permissions and inspections. Additional finishes and fixtures, windows, plumbing, electrical wiring, and doors are sold separately. A list of the essential materials required to complete the project is included in the kit, but the final cost will be determined by your selections. At publishing time, the cost was $31,887. 7. Best 2-bedroom. +1 2-bedroom, 2-bath tiny home at Home Depot. If you're looking for a larger small house for a guest house, office, or additional living space, this kit is ideal. Its 559 square feet are divided into 2 bedrooms, 2 complete bathrooms, and a kitchenette in the main living area. There is even a connected en-suite bathroom in the main bedroom. Its single-story layout facilitates ground-level construction, and the steel panels that come with it are incredibly durable and strong. This tiny house kit requires the construction of a concrete slab, which raises the total cost. The steel structure alone is included in the package. Windows, doors, plumbing, electrical, flooring, and fixtures are not included and need to be bought separately. Although the project may become exceedingly costly as a result, the ultimate product will have the most flexibility. At publishing time, the cost was $33,997. So there you have it, 7 of the best tiny house kits that you can buy online and have delivered to your site. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!